Hello everyone, Nubia's new 5G phone is the ultimate gaming phone. Nubia's latest 5G smartphones comes with a 144Hz display. Known for its line of high-end gaming-oriented phones, Nubia is pushing the envelope with its latest offering, the Red Magic 5G, with a screen designed to deliver a PC-like gaming experience in the palm of your hand and a raft of other impressive internals. The Red Magic 5G seems ideal for those looking for a gamer phone. Over the past few years, super-powered mobile phones like the Asus ROG line and Xiaomi Black Shark series have, alongside Nubia's previous Red Magic offering, helped redefine the possibilities of mobile phone gaming, featuring high-end specs that have helped bringing the mobile medium closer to more responsive console and PC-based experience. These phones have still lagged behind in terms of visual, that is, until now. While the device sports a laundry list of impressive internals, it's the 144Hz display for Nubia's announcement that really sets the Red Magic 5G apart. 144Hz refer to the refresh rate, how many times the image is refreshed each second. And while a higher refresh rate won't necessarily improve image quality, it does fluidity. Making for smoother graphics, a 144Hz refresh rate is just about the current standard in full-size monitors, and the nearest any other mobile phone comes to matching that number is 120Hz. In other words, the Red Magic 5G is a for no other reason in a class by itself, thanks to the refresh rate for its ultra-speedly 6.65-inch FHD AMOLED display. Nubia is more than just a gaming phone. Display aside, the Red Magic 5G comes with many other notable features that will appeal to both gamers and non-gamers alike. For example, the phone features the Snapdragon 865 chipset, and this is the same processor expected to power a number of 2020 flagship devices. It's available in 8, 12 and 16GB lower processor DDR5 RAM variants, with the latest iteration of DRAM technology ideally suited for high-performance mobile application. It also features 240Hz touch sampling, which means it can register your touch and render resultant frame in response at a rate of 240 times a second. In addition, the new phone is compatible with cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 networks for an even better gaming experience. The new device includes a pair of dedicated capacitive shoulder button and an integrated fan that pull air across the phone to keep the higher-end technology from overheating. However, all the specs raise the interesting question of whether chasing desktop level performance is that worthwhile for a mobile device. Given the market for specialized game-oriented PCs and laptops, it was natural that a similar niche would develop for mobile phones, with legions of fans from esports stalwart like Fortnite and Call of Duty flocking to the game's mobile variant, and huge fan base driving competitive mobile-only franchise like Free Fire. The time does seems right to capitalize on the market with a flagship level device. However, without a hardwired network connection, any phone's ability to function during online gameplay at full steam comes down to one thing, and it's not the refresh rate. Instead, it's whether or not there's a strong Wi-Fi signal available. Regardless of how much a gaming phone's spec can be made to mimic dedicated gaming desktops down to customizable RGB lighting, which of course the Red Magic 5G also features, it will always be its own unique device and best suited to its own unique experiences. As the Red Magic 5G begins rolling out in China this month, the buzz surrounding the first to market display may serve as an interesting bellwether on mobile gamers' appetite for true PC equivalent specs in a pocket-sized device.